Namaskar, I'm Advocate Saurabh Punar. Today we are going to discuss how to get bail under Section 379 if a person is wrongly implicated under Section 379. Now let us understand what is Section 379. Section 379 maintains the punishment for theft. Theft is defined under Section 378. 378 defines theft as an act by a person who takes any movable object from the possession of a person without his consent. Or, in other words, if any person for a wrongful gain takes any movable object from the possession of any other person who is the legally owner of that movable object, then this act is theft. Theft is a cognizable offense, and a police official can arrest the person without warrant. So, in case if somebody who is already implicated under Section 379 of the Indian Penal Code, what should be the ground for bail if he is wrongly implicated? First and foremost, it is important to know whether the person or whether the accused has stolen the movable object or not. Secondly, it is also very important to know whether the stolen object recovered from the possession of the person or not. Thirdly, it is also important to know the intention of the accused, whether he want any wrongful gain by taking that movable object. These are the basic ground upon which, if the answer of this comes in negative, then certainly there is a strong ground for bail. It is also important to know whether the accused has any past criminal history, which means criminal antecedents or not, and whether the person, after coming out on bail, going to cooperate the investigation or not. Every FIR under Section 379 is a unique, and the contents of the FIR describes the circumstances and the nature of the offense. So there is no standard format for bail, but it depends case to case. And if there are lots of judgments on Section 379 by the High Court and the Supreme Court, so if anyone is interested, you can call me. My number is in the description for getting any assistance for the case laws, and I have the judgments, so I can send it to you on PDF. So if you like my video, kindly like and subscribe, and also give your opinion in the comment box. Thank you very much.